Now we are in Penida Street. Okay, let's see together how busy Bali today on Seminyak. During Omicron issue. Car at the front of the hotel. Now we are in Penida Street. It's still like 11 in the morning, around 9 a.m. So that's why this area is still break. Why isn't it? Penida Street today, this morning looked very quiet. There is not so many cars drive around on this area. Also not so many motorbike drive around this area too. It's very quiet. Some trees over on the sidewalk. Here outside, there is some tourists, have some coffee. Yeah, it's good. This is Campus Hotel. Very quiet too. You see outside? There is a tourist walk around on the sidewalk. Yeah, that's good. If I turn right at the front, there is the big hotel we call W, and they have like beautiful big club. W Hotel right there. Yeah. As the entrance to go to W Hotels. Some taxi parking there. They are waiting for the customer. So this is the big cool. Nice coffee inside. And right side there is the potato head entrance. Right there is the potato head entrance. I have you ever been there before? So you will know this area for sure. Is the tourist from the right sidewalk? Right side? I make this video around 9 a.m. so that's why in this area it still not look so busy. Still many people going to sleep. No wake up yet. If I straight down in the front, there is the Anila Hotel. Police. And behind the temple there is Penida Beach, also very famous beach. So this is the entrance to go to Penida Beach. Right side? Yeah. Right side? Sea circus is very famous also. And a lot of local people make photo there. Motel Mexico, left side. Busy during the night time. Yeah. Some car parking in the front of the hotel today. That is good. It's quite busy in this area. Local restaurant. Some people, but still quiet. Good. And now we will see together how the situation at the moment on Kayu Aya Street, the most famous street in Seminyak area. Okay, I turn right here. Left side, Setterfield restaurant is very famous. Bosman, Spoon Cafe, and this is the Seminyak Village Mall. Look very quiet. They are open but still quiet. Okay guys, now we are in Kayu Aya Street. Seminyak Square there. This is Kayu Aya. There is a tourist walk around the sidewalk. Look very quiet, isn't it? There is Job restaurant. Hotel. Boys. Kayu Aya Street. Right side, Lava Vela. Busy during the night time. Got the night bar here. Yeah, there is the entrance. And left side, there is the red carpet. Also very famous. Corner house, left side. A lot of trees inside. They have some breakfast. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Seminyak area during Omicron issue. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Very hard.